Hey everybody, Dude here. And so our friends at Skinnies were nice enough to send us some more packets to try out. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to make this part 3. First one is a Bellini, and it contains basically champagne, 1 packet of this, the Bellini mix. Second one is a Mojito Twist, which is actually one of my favorites. It's a shot of rum, the packet. And the third one is a London Gimlet, which is absolutely my favorite. So, let's start out here. Okay, the Bellini. So it says 1 glass of Prosecco champagne in 1 packet. Well, unfortunately, I don't have any champagne glasses. Is that a thing? But you get the drift. You know the dude, I'm not really conventional anyways. We'll put the packet in there. I have learned that this stuff's actually fairly easy to open now that I figured out that you open it from the top. Gonna do some mixing. Actually, this is the first time, in all honesty, that I've tried this one. Mix it up. That's actually pretty damn good. I really like that. It's got a cool taste to it. I can't quite describe it. I mean, you definitely get the champagne, but overall, that's pretty damn good. I definitely recommend that one. Next one, Mojito Twist. This one's pretty simple. As you can see, it's already empty because I've been sampling. So for this one, shot of rum, club soda, and a packet. I like to put the packet in first, just because it helps kind of mix things together a little bit while you're pouring in your shot or 2 or 3, whatever the dude pours in. There you go. Club soda. Mix it up. Let's give it a shot. Oh, that rum, the coconut rum with this mix, it's the best, man. You can't go wrong. Serious. Wow. Now off to my favorite, the London Gimlet. This one calls for 1.5 ounces of gin, some water, and a packet. Well, I'm going to actually put in some Diet 7-Up. I've tried it with the water and I really like it, and I've tried it with club soda, which I like as well, but I really like it with Diet 7-Up. That's the beauty of these things. I mean, you can just kind of mix them as you go. It's all good. You don't have to go exactly by what's on there. It's kind of, I look at it as kind of a recommendation. Unfortunately, that's my last pack. I am out of that as well. Could mean I'm a drinker, not sure, but yeah. All right, London Gimlet. Doesn't let you down, man. Every time, hands down the best. They're all good. They really are. Wow. All right, guys. RSVP Skinnies cocktail mixers. Sorry. We tried the Bellini. We tried the Mojito Twist. And we tried the London Gimlet. Dig these things. They're absolutely awesome. There's a link down below that takes you directly to their website. There's a $5 off coupon, so from $19.99 to $14.99. It comes in a packet of 4, and each packet contains 6. I think you're going to like these things. Give them a shot. They're fairly new. They are plant-based, so they're fairly good for you. They're actually very good for you. So give them a shot. Like I said, there's a link down below. You can go directly to their site. $5 off coupon. can't go wrong. Anyhow, that's our review of the next 3 Skinnies, RSVP Skinnies cocktail mixers. We'll talk to you later. You're watching The Dude's Kitchen, and remember, the dude abides.